Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to discuss different types of rational agents. That is very important topic for all college level students. In lecture number 17, we have already discussed about rational agents, its functions and real life examples. If you didn't watch that lecture, you can check the description box. I have added the link there. Now let's just move to the types of rational agents. So basically we have five types. The first type includes simple reflex agents. Another is model-based reflex agents. Third type is goal-based agents. Another is utility-based agents and learning agents. So the first and the simplest type of agent is simple reflex agents. As its name implies, it is the most basic type of agents in the artificial intelligence. And one most important characteristic of this agent is it has no memory. No memory can be its important characteristic, or we can say it is the limitation of simple reflex agent. No memory means what? No memory means these agents do not keep track of past states or learn from their previous actions. And agents these agents does respond only to the current percept. ऑल राइट, अगर इसके पास मेमोरी ही नहीं है तो प्रीवियसली इसने क्या टास्क परफॉर्म किया है उसका कोई भी डेटा स्टोर नहीं होगा. They make decisions purely based on current percept without any regard for history or future states. All right. Another point says this type of agent works well in highly structured, predictable environments where decisions can be made solely based on immediate inputs. So this is directly or indirectly related to the point that it has no memory. इसमें मेमोरी नहीं है तो इमीडिएट इनपुट्स पर ही ये फोकस करेगा बिकॉज इट हैज it is not capable of storing previous data. It is not capable of storing previous tasks, right? Along with this along with this, simple reflex agents are ideal in controlled predictable environments where decisions don't depend on past states. All right, where decisions don't depend on past states, there we can use simple reflex agents. They are often used in embedded system. This is very important system, a very important statement. Okay, simple reflex agents are ideal in controlled environment and they are often used in embedded systems. They are also used in simple robotics and the application requiring quick and straightforward responses. So all these are the fields where we can use simple reflex agents. Now let's just talk about its limitations. So first limitation we have discussed, that is it has no memory, or we can say lack of memory is the limitation of simple reflex agent. Second disadvantage or limitation is it is not suitable for complex and dynamic environment. Another limitation can be it has no learning capacity or capability. That means they cannot improve their performance over time since they don't adapt based on past experiences. That's why no learning capability is there in simple reflex agents. Along with the limitations, simple reflex agents have some characteristics that include its first characteristic is it has no memory. Another characteristic is its condition action rule. Its condition action rule. What does it mean? Simple reflex agents operate using a set of condition action rule, or simply we can say it if then rule. We all know about if then rule, right? For each percept, the agent performs the action associated with that percept only. Third characteristic of this agent is no goal or utility based decision making. Or utility based decision making. Fourth characteristic can be fast decision making. It can make decisions very quickly, but based on only the current data. Okay, because it does not have any memory, so past data को ये use ही नहीं कर सकता. So fast decision making can be done only with the present scenario, present data only, right? So this is all about simple reflex agents. Another type of reflex agent is your model based reflex agent. Okay, so students, a model based reflex agents are suitable for applications where environments are semi structured. This particular point is very important, right? Where applications are semi structured with some predictability and partial observability. They are commonly used in robotics, so note these applications. These agents are commonly used in robotics, autonomous vehicles, autonomous vehicles, real-time monitoring system, real-time monitoring systems, and other areas where dynamic processes are necessary but the environment is not fully predictable. So all these situations are related to your model based reflex agents. All right, so these agents in AI are a setup from simple reflex agents. These are the setup from simple reflex agents. All right, students, they use an internal model of the environment to handle more complex, partially observable situations where not all information is available at the given time. So this is the key point that you should note. We use model based reflex agents where there is not much information is given at that particular point of time. Its important characteristics include its internal state. Its internal state is very important. Its world model, let me note this here. Its characteristic includes internal state. Another is world model. Another point is condition action rules with memory. Condition action rules with memory. Another can be adaptability or partially observable environment. It has a power of adaptability to partially observable environments. Okay, students, so all these are the characteristics of model based reflex agents. Now let me share with you some examples of this type of agent. So its example includes, first example can be your robot navigation. Robot navigation. A robot navigating a room with obstacles may use a map as its model and update its internal state to track obstacles and remember that path. So for robot navigation, we can use this type of agents. Another can be self-driving cars, that is autonomous driving. Okay, so we can write it as self-driving cars is a real life example. Next is intelligent vacuum cleaner. Intelligent vacuum cleaner is also a real life example under your model based reflex agents. Okay, so I hope students everything is clear till now. Now let me share with you some advantages and disadvantages of this agent. So the first advantage include its better decision making. If we compare it with the previous agent, then this agent works better, okay, in terms of decision making. Another is more flexible and capable. It is more flexible and capable. Another is its adaptability. Another advantage is its improved performance in dynamic environment. All right, so other than this we have some disadvantages as well. So disadvantages include its dependence on accurate model. If the model is inaccurate, the agent's decision may be flawed. All right, another disadvantage is increased complexity. क्योंकि ये पूरा जो है मॉडल्स पे बेस्ड होता है, इसकी वजह से इसकी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी में बहुत ज़्यादा इसकी वजह से कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें होती है. इट हैज़ लिमिटेड लर्निंग कैपेबिलिटीज. Okay, so all these are the advantages and disadvantages of model based reflex agents. So I hope students everything is clear. If you have any doubt, you can definitely comment below. So here we have discussed two different types of agents. Remaining will be covered in lecture number 19. So you will get link in the description box. Definitely फॉलो करिएगा उस सेशन को, क्योंकि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाले हैं आगे के 3 एजेंट्स भी. सो थैंक यू सो मच एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.